it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher here at Conservatory of the Ozarks. I'm here today with
Mayank.
So we're going to do the tiger song today on page 15. We have to make 2 finger donuts like this. Can you make your 2 finger donuts? And we have to put our left finger donut on the very lowest white key right down here. And then we skip 1 key and put the right finger donut on the next key. Yep. So we go left, right, left, right. And then 3 times left hand alone. 1, 2, 3. And then together. And the words are tiger, tiger, mighty roar, roar. Can you try it by yourself, Mayank? Tiger, tiger. Now just left hand, just left hand. Mighty, nope, keep it. T, roar. And now both hands. Both hands on the white keys. Roar. That's it. Very good.
Okay, go me. You go.